Hey everybody, Spartan here from SpartanTrade.com. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit more about some trading basics. In today's video, trend lines. What are trend lines? What are trends? What are they used for? And how do they work? So, you've probably heard that when a stock is trending up, it's bullish. When a stock is trending down, it's bearish. But what does this actually mean? What does this actually look like? And how do you draw these trend lines? Let's talk about the concept of a trend. When the stock is trading upwards, it's trending up. What does that actually mean? What's happening is the price of the stock is in a channel to the upside where it's making higher lows. So there's a certain number of buyers that come in, the stock will be sold off a little bit, or the price will be sold off a little bit, and then the stock will continue getting bought up at a higher price, making these higher lows. These higher lows are where you would connect or draw that trend line. When these buyers disappear, that means buyers are no longer looking to buy that stock after it starts to pull back from the initial seller. So there could be less demand for the stock. We all know when there is demand for something that it tends to increase in price over the course of time. When the demand dissipates or goes away, those buyers are gone, which is a visual representation we're seeing right here on the chart. If these buyers were gone, they would not be here and the stock would start to sell off. Let's find an example of that just to show you. So, stock is trending up to the upside, as we can see. As it's pushing to the upside, it's making these higher lows. Eventually, these higher lows break. The buyers stop stepping in here, and we can see that the visual representation of the sellers stepping in and demand decreasing for whatever that asset is. That's what we're looking at on the chart, just so you can understand it from a fundamental point of view. When you draw a trend line, it's fairly simple. What you want to be doing is looking at whether or not it's an uptrend or a downtrend. Let's say it's a downtrend. You can kind of tell which way you're going to be drawing it just because of the way that the price is going. If the price has been going down over the course of whatever period of time you're looking, that should be a downtrend. And what you would want to do on a downtrend is go to the highest candle, the highest point of that candle during the day, and connect it with the tops of the other candles. In this case, what you would want to do is look for a candle top that is closest to this one. That looks like if you connect it, it would show you other tops that would be hitting as well. Now, that's how you would draw a trend line on the downtrend side. On the uptrend side, it would be something similar, except you'd be using the lows. You'd use a visual low that would stand out. Let's say it's over here, and you would connect it with another visual low that would stand out. This would create your trend line. As we can see, the trend line here from the morning bounced off a couple times, eventually broke through, but reclaimed and continued to be bought up alongside that trend line. So when drawing trend lines, if it's to the upside, you would want to look for a visual low on the day and connect it with another visual low. That would be a little bit of a higher low. On the bearish side, you would look for a visual high and connect for the next visual high. That would be lower than the original high, creating that downward sloping line or the downtrend. So just a little bit of basics for you on the trend side of things for technical trading. This does get a little bit more complex as you get through it, but it's very important to know how to draw these things as you start doing some basic forms of technical analysis. If you guys do have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me at Spartan@SpartanTrading.com or visit us there. Thank you and have a great day.